John Knoll is an American visual effects supervisor and chief creative officer at Industrial Light and Magic. One of the original creators of Adobe Photoshop, he has also worked as visual effects supervisor on the Star Wars prequels and the 1997 special editions of the original trilogy. He also served as ILM's visual effects supervisor for Star Trek Generations and Star Trek: First Contact, as well as the Pirates of the Caribbean series. Along with Hal Hickel, Charles Gibson and Allen Hall, Knoll and the trio's work on Pirates of the Caribbean: Dead Man's Chest earned them the Academy Award for Best Visual Effects. Knoll has been praised by directors James Cameron, Gore Verbinski, Guillermo del Toro, and Brad Bird. Del Toro, who worked with Knoll for the first time on Pacific Rim, stated he basically has the heart of a kid and the mind of a scientist, and that's a great combination. Knoll is also the inventor of Knoll Light Factory, a lens flare generating software inspired by his work at Industrial Light and Magic. Knoll was the computer graphics project designer on The Abyss, an achievement which earned ILM its 10th Oscar, and worked on 2 Star Trek episodes: Star Trek: The Next Generation's pilot episode and the Star Trek: Deep Space Nine episode Explorers. Knoll had a cameo appearance in Star Wars Episode I: The Phantom Menace as a fighter pilot. John Knoll helped pitch the story of Rogue One, a feature film set in the Star Wars series, and worked as writer and executive producer of the film. At the 2019 Oscars, John and his brother Thomas were awarded a Scientific and Engineering Award for the original architecture, design and development of Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.